This is the first match after Blazing Eagles have taken over Silver Sharks. They've got Elton Lima, they took on loan after he got his transfer to Striking Tigers. The players at the moment, they are screaming in joy because they have seen an eagle which has landed on the goal post. You can see the mixture of Silver Sharks and Blazing Eagles player. They still have to get the kit together. Does the Silver Sharks with the order has come. I am telling you, the order has gone out and the shots will come. But meanwhile, you can see the Wombats. They are a mix of all the other TZLC players. It is a strong outfit, and that scary image of the Kapin Pataran is also there. And all the players in their own kits. Blazing Eagles wearing red today because they have no. All the players do not have the kit. Anyway, it's Sankoli on the ball. They are passing the ball ahead. It is a good chance now. It is, I think that was, who was that? I am not sure, but it is cleared from the area. Oh, it was very close. And now it seems the referee is hiding. Is he? Hold on a second. How I just put that flame for you to see the fire, just to show you where the referee was standing. He was hiding. He was actually waiting for the cross, just like that. Unfortunately, Oswali, he missed the header when it was Kaneka, the referee, who could have scored. How it is Sankoli now. He has given it to Shubanke Nanda. What a team this is. It's full of quality players. It is Bode with a back heel and a clearance. It is more like a clearance from the striker of Wombats. And now it is Sumati on the ball for Blazing Eagles. He loses the ball. It is Corruption intercepted. Now it is Oswal. He passes the ball inside. This is non-stop from Wombats, I must say. Oh, it is a ball. It is handball. It is that he is admitting to the referee that I have handballed the ball. Referee, please give the handball. But now the referee has decided to give a free kick. But look at the player. Look, I'll put the flame again. He's saying, "Oh, I handled the ball. Please give the free kick." And Mr. Kaneka is saying, "No. I will now give excuses for Mr. Saga Kaneka because he's refereeing after a long time." And it is Mr. Kare who is coaching the Blazing Eagles side, and that is why he might be a little confused. Anyway, we have got Blazing Eagles with a lovely corner from that Corada fellow, and this Canada, he misses an open goal. And now it's a lovely cross from Podar. It is Gosalu who comes from he takes the ball away from Sankoli, who made a very bad mistake, and that should have been 1-0 to Blazing Eagles. Another corner and a chance and a save. It is the second half now. As you can see, it is the second half because Blazing Eagles are attacking now from left to right. And now it is Sumati. He gives the ball back and it is a free kick. And the referee has once again, he's given a direct free kick in the box. And still the Blazing Eagles players can't score. I keep saying Kid 4 because Kid 4, they use the same colors. I am confused. There is a good ball, a good cross, but Lima, he makes a good save, but he gives it to Berry, and it's a good save. He collected the ball, not a very good save, he just collected the ball. And now Chiplunga, he collects the pass from his goalkeeper, and now that is Patwadan, the fellow with the scary face, and now it is Sankoli, a lovely ball, I must say, accidental pass back to Chiplunga, it is a poor header from, I don't know who it was, but now it's Berry on the ball, Berry scores in the bottom corner. That looked so easy. This person, what's his name? His name is Akshay Berry. He makes everything look so casual, I must say, as if he's walking through the park, sucking a lollipop, I must say, looking at the sea. Look at it. Look, he's going like la da da. This is so casual, I must say. But he totally eats apart Yole, and he scores in the bottom corner. The goalkeeper got his fingertips to it, but to no avail. And now it is Sankoli, a lovely cross inside. No, it is not lovely. But he sort of tricks the goalkeeper with that bounce. The goalkeeper, it is Lima. He clears the ball. You can see that person screaming is Mr. Kare. But that's a good pass to Gosal. What can he do? Gosal. Gosal is fouled by the goalkeeper. And Mukuni Namda, he clears the ball of the line. That was a pop. But Saga Kaneka, He is a man in his own world, I must say. A man in his own world. Anyway, we've got it is another chance from Wombats and a cross inside. This is a good chance for Wombats. Can they score? It is Sankoli who tried to go for a 3-pointer, but he does not realize he is not playing rugby. Anyway, it is Lima. He decides to kick the ball up to the halfway lane. It's a good kick, and it is who is that? How that was Sharma, Sudarshan Sharma, and now that was Shantam, and now it's Gosal again. Gosal, he is everywhere. This Gosal cross the ball inside. There is a chance here with Mr. Kare still screaming away. What is going on? It is a shot. It is a corner shot. It's a goal. How? No, the goalkeeper, you could see, had already stopped. He had seen the linesman lifting his flag up saying offside. That is offside. Anyway, it is Chipluka now. Chipluka, a lovely cross inside. It's a good cross, and it's a chance for Shubhanka Nanda. But the goalkeeper comes out well. I must say, he came out very well. And now a throw-in. It is a throw-in, and now it is a clearance from Abemir Shah. It's a good clearance from Abemir Shah, and it's a chance for Gosal. This was a difficult. This is a goal of the season, I must say. The clearance from Abemir Shah. But what work from the Gosal. That was a finish from nothing, I must say. It was a difficult finish. That goal of the season, I must say. Look at it, just look at the replay now. This is a wonderful goal. You can see the ball. You can see this angle. Look at this angle. It is too difficult to score. What a goal. In the bottom corner. It was brilliant, I must say. They deserve it. It is 1-1, and with time is running out. It is Wombats now attacking. Can they get a winner here? A cross inside from Pardesi, but it is stopped in midfield, and a through ball. It is a chance. It's a final chance. What a sprint from the right midfielder, and a final chance. Gaurav Shah. It is saved by the goalkeeper.
As a TZLC member, you are required to follow the laws governing the rules of the road set up by the Kafandrai Traffic Department relating to all motor vehicles. A number of members have been found speeding, failing to use indicator lights while changing lanes, and turning and riding without helmets, including the pillion rider. Please note that if a Kafandrai official observes you violating the laws of the road, you will be suspended with possible further punitive action to follow. Be safe, stay safe, keep others safe. This was a Kafandrai Police Bulletin.
Wombats versus Mutant Rhinos. Look at this Wombats formation. There are 4 in charges, and those 4 in charges, they said they will play different formation for the different quarters. First quarter meaning 20 minutes, 20 or 25 minutes. It is a 90 or 80 minute match. Remember, don't you forget. And now it is a Mutant Rhino. It is that Eldan Lima again in goals. He is having a lot of matches with a lot of goals. We can see the Mutant Rhinos, they have decided to play attacking, 4-4-2 attacking against this Wombat, strong Wombat team. This is going to be good, this match. I am telling you, I am waiting in anticipation for this match. Let us see what happens. And now it is Borde. It's a clearance. It is now Mutant Rhinos. It's confusion in midfield, but no, it is Thomas. He finds. It's a lovely ball to Ketka, but it is Pardeshi who takes over. Pardeshi. There is the change coming in the middle. It's a good cross. Ketka, what's he going to do with Ketka? He gives it back to Thomas. Thomas decides to go through, but Jovan Putra, and finally it is Kaneka, is it? Who clears the ball away? I am not sure. But anyway, it is Jovan Putra with a through ball. It is. It's a good pass, and now they are playing well. Our Wombats, they are attacking, which is because that is Sumati, I think, and now it is Sankoli, and it is Gaurav Shah. Sankoli, he passes it to his teammate in Fiery Dragons. Sankoli to Gaurav Shah. Yes, that is Yebo. That is Kaneka. It was Kaneka. But now he is being beaten by Ketka. Ketka should go on to finish. What a run by Ketka. Ketka, just shoot, Ketka. And Ketka uses his right outer foot when he should just finish with his left foot. But Ketka will land. I am sure he will land. It is a constant attack by Mutant Rhino. This is a chance, and our goalkeeper has saved it. A shot by Kole, the goalkeeper has saved it. This is good play, I must say, from Mutant Rhinos. A good corner. It is a good corner from Thomas with them still attacking. Oh, Thomas rips him apart on the left. It is Sumati, I think, rips apart. And now a header. Oh, it is very close. It's another chance. That has to be a pop. It must be a pop. Foul by the goalkeeper, I must say. This referee, but he's coaching Mutant Rhinos at the same time, Mr. Kare. And he says, no, I will give indirect free kick. I will be fair. I can't show that I am giving Mutant Rhinos a pop. And this is another chance which is wasted. How? Very poor, very poor. And now it is Shabazz Khan. He gives a lovely ball, return pass to Thomas. It's another cross, and it's a mistake by the goalkeeper, but he is saved from the mistake. And now it is still Mutant Rhinos with the ball, but we can find Wombats are deciding to counter-attack. How they are counter-attacking. It's a lovely move. And now who is it? It's Sankoli. He keeps the ball inside to play. This is good play from Sankoli. And now it's a chance. A lovely step over Sankoli to Ponte back. How to Sankoli? It's a cross, and now they can't clear it, and Gaurav Shah scores. He has scored against, I must say, the run of play. There was a mistake in defense. Who found it very difficult to clear the ball. Let me see here. In the replay, it was Chiplunka who does a funny, very bad hash of things. How his rating should be dropped for that. What was he doing? He was taking a reverse flick by scissor kick. But it is Ketka again. Ketka hits it straight to the goalkeeper. How? This was a chance. It is still Ketka. What is happening? How? It is advantage played by the referee. It is still Mutant Rhinos. How many chances will you get, Mutant Rhinos, before you score? And now the referee, he is indeed giving Mr. Jovan Putra a red card for that offense. On top of that, which is why the advantage was played in Thomas. Thomas takes it. Oh, goalkeeper, he can't catch it. And now it is Kotari. His name is Pashi Kotari. I must tell you a secret. I have played these Paduman games and they are good fun. You must be trying it as well. So now we have got it is Sharma. It is Shivam Sharma, one of the judges. He has crossed the ball. It is saved by Lima. And now Mutant Rhinos, can they get this ball out of danger? I think they can. It is Kole. Kole on the ball now. Kole. It's still Kole. A lovely ball to Ketka again. And Ketka is going to find Pardeshi again. This is too much good play from Mutant Rhinos. What can Pardeshi do? He plays the ball back to, I think it is, good play from, it is Gurani. That was handball, but the referee says it's okay, you play on, no problem, it was accidental. And now it's a corner. Referee says it's okay, no problem. Sometimes the referee does that. Is it not because he's the referee and coaching Mutant Rhinos at the same time? We don't allow that to happen. Anyway, just behind the tent you can see Thomas. It is open. Mukulinanda, he has scored. What a goal, what a header. He rarely scores with his head, but look at that. And I'm telling you, his teammates were shocked. They were like, Mukulinanda has scored with a head. They don't even know it's a goal. You should see it again. He starts celebrating by himself, and then his teammates realize, and then they come and celebrate with him. Look at that. It is very funny, but it is 1-1, and I'm happy for Mutant Rhinos with that. So, of course, being corrected by Sumati, they have changed the goalkeeper. They have changed the goalkeeper 4 times, and now there's a chance. It is Gosal. It is Kole who is rushing back. Kole. It's a challenge. And Gosal hits it straight at the keeper. You can say the keeper has made a good save, but I can see that Kole has made a good tackle. And now it's a cross by Jovan Putra. Is it a cross? And a chance. It goes wide. Just wide of the pole. Now I think Wombats, they are also showing a little bit of pressure, putting pressure on Mutant Rhinos. He has given it to Sankoli, who seems everywhere. It's a good ball to Gosal. Gosal has a chance. He passes it to Jovan Putra. Shoots. That seemed to be a late challenge from Kole. But Jovan Putra, I think at least he should have put that on target. It is now Wombats. They are putting total pressure on Mutant Rhinos. It is Kaneka. He is going by himself. Kaneka takes a left-footed shot. He has hit his head. But no, he has told the referee it is okay. No problem. Everyone said it is okay. No problem. It's a goalkeeper. Yes, clear. It is Elton Nima. Good header from Ketka. A very dodgy header that was from Gurhani. And now it is Wombats again. Borde, a lovely left-footed pass. It is to Jagtap. Jagtap. He crossed. A lovely cross. And now it's Jovan Putra himself. Oh, good play by Jovan Putra. He has scored. Oh, he was allowed to walk through. I'm telling you, my daughter, he was meant to walk through, allowed to walk through up to the 6-yard box, and then he has scored with so much ease. This defending is, wow, I must say, how whoever has given them rating here, but you have to give credit to Jovan Putra because he did well. If you say that he did well, that means some people are, oh, this is a good rugby kickoff. Although it should have been a little higher up the pitch, it is a quick and good way to counter-attack. Look at it. They have already reached the final quarter with a cross and a chance. Look at that. In 3 passes, they have had a chance. And now it is Thomas. He plays the ball to Mukulinanda. He decides to go through himself. No, he gives it on the left to, I think it is Kotari. Kotari who has switched his position. And now it's a shot from Chiplunga. Is it? How? Good play from Mutant Rhinos. Now it is Chiplunga attacking from left to right. What is going on? How? I think, you know what, it's an open chance, but I think they put that Paduman advertisement. How they put it at the wrong time. It should have been, I am telling you now, people, that it is the second half. And now there is a chance for Wombats again. It is Sumati with an open goal. How? This is open affair here. Good attacking play from both the teams with that shot from Bable hitting the back pole. It is now Bere with a funny left-footed pass down the middle of the ground. But it is Kaneka who intercepts, gives it to Gorte. And now it is Kankoli who gives it back to Sangvi. Sangvi, oh, it's a good ball down to Bable. Bable is looking for a chance to go through. Look at this, I am telling you, oh, he suddenly gives the pass to Sankoli. And now Sankoli gives it to Porte. And Porte, oh, there is a chance now. Oh, there's a chance, the goalkeeper makes a mistake and it is Goran Shah. Oh, this is disappointing in such an exciting encounter where Mutant Rhinos are using the flanks while Wombats are still just stuck, squeezed in. But they managed to break through. This is unfortunate because of an error from Elton Nima. He has been playing so well. But this, he just says, please, you gave me money, so here, take a goal and score. I am just joking. I'm sure it was an honest mistake. Anyway, there is another chance. Sumadi, his goalkeeper says, oh, not again. I am not going to make a mistake again. And now it's Mukulinanda. He decides to say, I am going up now. I will show you how to score a goal. And it is Kole. How? But that Thomas, it is LC9, it is LC10 offside. How? It's a goal. It's in the bottom corner. Kole has scored. And he thinks it is a practice session. So he goes and gets the ball himself. Or maybe he thinks now is a chance for Mutant Rhinos to score 3-3. But you see that Thomas, that Kapil Patwadan, he did not give offside. How? It should have been offside in TZL9, TZL16. But it is okay. Sometimes this decision go in everyone's favor. And now that the Jopan Putra goals, he should have done better. But now it is the referee saying play on. And that was in actual fact a good tackle from Ukul Inanda on Akshay Bere. And now it is Mutant Rhinos attacking. With the, I think the highlight was just to show that it was a good tackle by Mukul Nanda. And now it is a good play from Mutant Rhinos. It is Alhat. Alhat plays the ball down the right to a good run from Ketka. It is Kotari who finds Ketka. Ketka who made a lovely overlapping run down the right and he still got the ball. But he loses the ball. And now it's Wombats who are attacking. And it's Atigre. Atigre loses the ball. And Thomas ties a fancy, I must say, fancy back in. With that time running out, it is a throw-in, and now it is, oh, good play by Nike, Praveen Nike cross, but it can't be met at the far side, and now it is Kole. Kole, he rips apart Borde. They used to play in the academy together, those two, and oh, it's a clearance from the goalkeeper, who is now, I think it is Bable, and that old goalkeeper Jovan Putra is playing outside, but now they have decided to start from the back again. Good play from Mutant Rhinos. Look at them. They are passing the ball about well. They need that goal. They think they are passing the ball about well. They will score. And now there's a chance. They're still passing. Oh, he has lost it. And I think that chance is gone. How? Good bout of passing from Mutant Rhinos. And now it's a good ball from Thomas. Finds it to Kotari. Has had a lot of the game today. Kotari, it's a lovely cross. A chance here. Oh, but it's a Tigre. A Tigre takes his time to clear. It's a very poor clearance. And now it is Thomas. Thomas should shoot. It's a chance. What is he doing? Look where Kanaka, the goalkeeper, is standing when he passes the ball. And it is offside. The linesman is given offside. The player should have taken a shot. And now Bable has decided to attack by himself once again. Look at him go. There is a chance. He gives it to the right. It's a good pass to Sankoli. Sankoli pass it back inside. There's a chance for Porte. Porte, they are just piddling about in the top with this. Porte, Sankoli asking for the ball. It is given to Sankoli. Sankoli, he will take it. Machiplunka, he does. It's a cross. It's a good cross. A open goal. Oh, just behind Sangvi. And now Jovan Purutra off the line. A clearance of Alhat. Amtuboji that was. And now it's a chance for Mutant Rhinos to attack. There is a chance now with an open goal. Pardeshi, what is he doing? Instead of scoring, he just decides to pass the ball. And now it is still Pardeshi. He goes by himself, trying to be held by the Gosal, the defender. And now, the gong has gone. A chance here. Oh, this is a close chance, but the referee has spotted a free kick, which Thomas is taking. A chance. Oh, there's a chance. It is bouncing about in the box. Someone's call. Al-Had. Oh, this is too close. Sangvi gets a clearance. And now, it's a defended again. And now it's Kole. The time is running out. Mutant Rhinos. And now it's a good pass to Alhat. Alhat plays a lovely ball. It is Mukulinamda in the middle. And they manage to clear the ball. I think time is running out with a final chance. Yeah! And Kole, he chests the ball to the goalkeeper. Oh, this is a match and a half. But I think it is all over now. It is going to be... Oh, it is a chance from Lima. He scores. Oh, goalkeeper saves it. It is over.
Hello, here at the BBC studio.
Leave it.
This is sick.
Carry on.
Okay, here at the BBC studios, we have a results roundup with Jimmy MacArthur. Okay, I am here. Here's the first division.